Hello TruckMax friends, I wanted to give you a walk around our bucket truck inventory so you can take a look to every single one of them with a little bit of specs. Come with me.
Dur-A-Lift's DTX 234FP bucket trucks are a great option for those looking for a compact truck. This Class 3 bucket truck can reach up to 39 feet and has a bottom mount basket for easy access into places with overhead obstacles. Check out the aerial lift equipment as a sign truck or a standard service truck. The DCP-36 rugged cable placer units can withstand the harsh applications of mobile operation. The smooth, easy-to-operate control system is packed with behind-the-scenes safety elements. It features a max working height of 41 feet and a side reach of 26 foot 6 inches with a non-insulated 350-pound basket, 400 pounds of side pull, and 50 pounds of down pull. Check out this Ford F550 DTAX 242 with a 47-foot working height and a side reach of 30 foot without the use of outriggers. It also features a single-person basket capacity of up to 400 pounds. The Telescopic Material Handling DPM252DU is a unit that is compact in size but not in reach. It's a new favorite for those in the electric utility industry. It features a max working height of 59 foot and a side reach of 31 foot 6 inches. Offered with different basket sizes and materials, fiberglass or aluminum, both with basket elevator options and 180-degree basket rotators. Also top-mounted jib and winch with a 1,000-pound capacity. We also have it paired with a Ford F600 sign truck and a Ford F750 forestry truck. Dur-A-Lift gets you exactly where you must go with all the tools you need to do the job right. Telescopic articulating bucket trucks, personnel or material handling bucket trucks, insulated or non-insulated, single or dual person baskets. We provide you with the best bucket truck to suit your needs.
Well, this is just a little bit of what we can offer. So contact TruckMax Homestead 305-777-9070 so I can have a salesperson taking care of you and your business. Contact us.